First one here. Who's the first one here? We should have a drawing. We should have a rewards for. Look at that. That's amazing. That's amazing. 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 This shit's amazing. Should not say the S word in the first minute of the video. I want to start off by saying, and before anybody shows up this way, it's not going to bug anybody who doesn't want to hear this stuff. This stream is not for children, okay? It's for entertainment purposes only. We're just here to have a good time. I am not a trading professional, okay? I do this for fun. I'm gonna turn off my video. Give me 1 second. Here we go, and we are boom. What was that? What'd it do? Oh, coming in number 2, Nick Nutty. Sorry. Look, I had this. We were going to do $1,000 award for the first comment, but I decided not to do it. But if we ever do it, it's going to be like you would have been second. I have some insights. I have some things I want to talk about big time. Big time, guys. First of all, Conor McGregor's fighting tonight. Who's watching Conor McGregor tonight? I have some insights. Let me see if I can stream it. I have something. Not that. This. I have ESPN Plus. I told you guys before, I have every streaming service. That's my thing. Streaming videos is my thing. What did I say? Conor McGregor ESPN Plus. Let's see if I can log in and stream it. The chance that I could do it from here is like what? Nothing? 0? Dude, listen, I don't know who was with us all day. I was chatting it up on Discord all day. I was keeping people up to date all day on Discord. If you guys weren't on Discord, you were missing out on some live advice. I posted one quick video earlier today just to say, watch out for the top out. And it ended up being a pretty reasonable thing to say. I have it already. ESPN Plus login. Please give me the fucking login. Goddamn. I shaved just now and my neck, and it hurts. It hurts. It's burning. My neck is burning. That's why I don't like to shave, because my neck skin is very fragile. Very, very fragile. Don't mess with my neck skin. That sign in did not work for ESPN Plus. I want to talk about moving averages today. I want to talk about trends in relation to moving averages, and I want to talk about my videos getting blocked, TradingView scripts. Okay. Pop smoke in quick. Thanks, buddy. Okay, I can't apparently sign into my ESPN account right now. Let me see if I can do it on my phone. I'm gonna stream some UFC. I would literally Dude, we're about to see massive change. Look at this squeeze. Look at this. Look at what's about to happen, guys. You don't even have to. You don't have to know a damn thing to know that we're about to hit something crazy. Like any moment. I don't know. Well, I thought I put these two lines here quite a bit earlier today, by the way, because I am thinking it's going to happen at some point here. Pranzuko, what's up? We are about to hit an issue, a big issue. What do we got? I want to see Chrome. I want to see a couple more, but I'll tell you what. Look at this red line. Now look at it very, very closely. Look at this pink line. Very, very closely. Okay. Now, look at the pink line. Look at the red line. Look at how the red line crosses here. Now, I want you to be very, very observant. Chrome, look at this. Look what happens. And I'm going to show, we're going to talk more about this in a minute. When the red crosses under the pink and stays under the pink, what's happening? When you got to watch for the red crossing the pink, but more importantly, another one. When the red crosses the pink here and goes over the pink, it's time to sell because this is about to happen. And again, we have even a better. So look at red crosses under, shoots up, crosses back over, falls. And as long as red is over the pink, we're falling. Now look, we cross here, we have a nice run, nice run, nice run. Now look at what's happening here. It's a spiral of moving averages. This is going to be the biggest conformational change, like in the next hour. Like in the next hour, something crazy is going to happen. I don't know what. But anyway, look, this is the last time we had something, some spiraling like that. Look what happened. The last time they all spiraled out, we had 17% in 15 hours. Look at, as long as you want red under pink. You want red under pink, and furthermore, there's one hidden in here that you can't see very well, but it's yellow. You don't see the yellow as well in the 15-minute. JZ, I use this on Binance.us. Binance is one of these trading platforms. I don't know what I just did. I just clicked something. Something's about to happen. This frequency has just gotten to the point where it's about to explode. Something's about to happen. I've marked it up. We'll get to it in a minute, but I want to talk about where all these are supposed to go. Right here, if you like zoom in anywhere where you see it, if the pink crosses over the yellow, it's going down. Yellow crosses over the pink, goes up, and we can watch it. We can watch it come together. We're watching it right here. What's about to happen? Yellow's about to cross over the pink. This is what happens here. This is when we have this nice little bullish trend. Are we about to blow up? Are we about to blow up? Is that what's going to go down? Is that what's about to go down? We are about to blow up. Okay. I'm about to buy in. This is stupid. The most expensive I bought in a while. I shouldn't have done this earlier. I just bought a few. In fact, I might sell a little bit of Bitcoin that I had to try to get some more Ethereum real quick. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Is it happening? Oh my gosh. It's happening. It's happening right now, guys. We're watching it fucking live. Oh my god. Did we shouldn't call this or what? Oh my god, did we call this? Guys, look at this. Come on. Go. Dude, just go. So look. I just ordered 3 Ethereum. I just did, just now. For a whopping $12.50. Okay. Guys, look what's happening. This is a 15-minute chart, so don't get blown away. But these need to cross. These need to cross, guys. It's happening. Yes. Guys, I was going to do a funny joke. Okay, I want to tell you about this funny fucking joke that I had come up with, and I was laughing my dick off in the bathroom by myself, like this evil laugh. And I knew if my wife asked me what it was, I wouldn't be able to tell her, or I'd have to lie to her, or if I told her, then she'd like be so pissed at me. But the reason I'm going to tell you the joke is because I'm never going to do it. What I was going to do, I was going to ask my wife to come into the frame and just like bend over like she was going to do something special for me on camera. And then I was going to be like, you know, maybe act like it was all good or whatever. And then I was going to be like, oh, like act like something's about to happen or whatever. And I have this fucking moisturizing lotion that I use that is shoots like this. And I was gonna shoot it out of my face, like from outside of the camera, and I was gonna be like hitting on my face, and I was gonna be like, oh no, like that. Oh, god damn it. Oh, that would have been so fucking funny. Fucking moisturizing lotion just shooting through the screen and shit. Maybe it like hits me in the face, and I'm like trying to dodge it, but I can't. Oh. Fuck. We need these two to cross violently. Okay, pink and yellow have to cross violently. Okay, it has to happen. They did. They've crossed. Yeah, but I would have said it was a joke. So, actually, Chrome, you're bringing up a really good point right now, and I want to talk about it because a couple of my videos did not get posted or would not get posted or got blocked and removed or whatever. And so I thought that if I wasn't monetized, that I could get away with a lot. Like, you know what, if they say, you know, if I play other people's music or other people's videos, who cares? Like, I don't care. I thought at worst they would like demonetize me because I'm not monetized. So I was like, I don't give a fuck. Except for the fact that They block, delete, remove, and cancel the posting of videos. And I was like, oh shit. Well, that kind of sucks. That kind of sucks. That I wasn't trying to get my videos deleted. I wasn't trying to do that. So apparently, whose idea was it? Oh, look at that fucking jump! Holy shit! Go! Go, you fuckface. BBC did, yep. Because I played Planet Earth. Whose idea was it to play Planet Earth? Whose fucking idea was it to play Planet Earth? Oh, the voiceover of Planet Earth with Snoop Dogg. That's what it was. And they didn't just like demonetize the video. They didn't just put ads in. I've had before where like somebody make a copyright claim and then they like put ads in your video and they make the money off of the ads. I've seen that. But these guys straight up blocked my video from getting posted altogether. Altogether. So I'm not really pumped about getting my videos blocked and deleted. So I don't know how much more I'm going to play. What's the point of getting all my videos deleted? What's the point of even playing all that shit if they're just going to get deleted? Anyway, look at this run. What in the fuck? 5, 10, 15. Oh, man. This is not a big scale. Like, this is $3, you know. This is $4. I've really zoomed it in a bit so you guys can just see the fun that's happening right now. It's not. This is not a crazy jump in price. I mean, we are quite a bit in what. Look at those jumps. Let's go, baby. I should have put 100 times. I can't do it in America. I don't think you can even do it. Do the 100 times leverage. I would have done it. I would have done it. I was so confident in that 3 Ethereum I just bought. I could sell right now for. Sell right now for a profit, whatever it was. I don't know. Yep. If I post something, they would put ads in my video, and then the person who copyright attacked me or said I stole their copyright would get all the revenue off of those ads. Anyway, like and subscribe. Moving on. This is not for kids. I just want to make that clear. Moving averages. I was just trying to describe to you guys that when pink crosses over yellow, it's time to be buying. This is a bull market, okay? If the red crosses under the pink and the yellow while the yellow stays above the pink, it's even better. This is, I watched a couple of videos today and I actually learned a bit. There's a really cool guy that you guys should follow. I think it's called, his name is Crypto Anoop, and he's very Indian. His accent's very Indian, but he's Crypto Anoop, and man, does he know his shit. Oh my god, dude, he knows like a stock trader's valuation. Like he knows like all of the names of all the different types of candle wicks. Did you guys fucking know that each type of candle wick breakdown has a name? This is called the hanging man, when you got just like a sliver and 2 long wicks on both ends. And like when it's like, you know, if it has a flat top and a wick on the bottom, or a flat on the bottom and a wick on the top, they all have specific names. Who knew? This guy knows all that shit off the top of his head. I think it's Crypto Anoop. Definitely go subscribe to him. And he went back and showed me, and I was blown a fucking way by where he can see short-term bull and bear market runs depending on how the moving averages. I think it's Crypto Anoop, like A-N-U-P. He's very Indian. So look at what happened at the beginning of this overall nasty bear trend. What happened? It was started right here. Yeah, there was this, and this, but right here is where we realized crossing. Pink crosses the yellow Long ass bull run. As long as the pink is over the yellow, or bear run. Look at this. The whole time the pink is over the yellow. What happens here? We cross. And then what happens here? Guys, watch it closely. It crosses here. We get this short jump. It gets close. We don't, but we stay overall positive. We want pink to be under the yellow. Look at pink stays under. So overall, this is a good trend. This cross here represents this. Look at this. Look at this. Every time pink and yellow cross, something happens. Pink and yellow cross. You want pink under yellow? That's what this is. Look at this. Look at this whole bear run that happened here. This is not the same one I just showed you earlier. This is a different one. If pink crosses the yellow, it's time to get the fuck out right now. Crosses back, get back in. Look at this. This is not the one I showed you a moment ago. This looks similar, but it's not. Pink crosses yellow. Pink is under yellow. This is what happens. Okay? It looks the same because this shit is so repetitive. Pink over yellow is bad. Okay? Look at this one. Pink was under yellow most of this time. And look at this whole positive trend. Pink under yellow. Yup. Positive trend. Pink over yellow. Shitty the whole time. Pink over yellow. Shitty the whole time. Shitty. You can watch this live. The moving averages are set to different average time lengths. Look it up here. 7, 25, 99. We need pink under yellow. In fact, we need red under both. Red's above both. It shouldn't be. This red only crosses these two when something terrible is about to happen. And by terrible, I mean like a big change. Not terrible, bad, but like some big change is about to. Red crosses these and they twist into this twisting knot. And when they're all this close to each other, it either flies up or flies down. But for most of the time, it looks very interesting to fly up. This is not an indicator. This is it's not an indicator. This is just regular TradingView. I changed 7, 25, and 9 are commonly used. They actually come as the defaults in the program. Volcron, you lucky SOB. I wish I could get some ADA, dude. Can't buy it in the US. Can't do 100 leverage either. I'm watching this now like you would believe. I need to see them separate more. Like they need to go in opposite directions. Oh yes, cross it. Cross it. So here, this one over, like this would have been the time to sell. Crossing it, this is the time to buy. And the whole time, this is all good. Anyway, I showed you guys like back, I don't know, 2 weeks. You can go as far back as you want. Every time pink and red cross, look at this, look at what happened here. Pink and red crossed yellow here. Red crossed and went under pink. Pink under yellow, just like it's supposed to. And then look what happens. See, when they all come together like this, something huge is about to happen. Look at these things. Boom. That's the beginning of this whole thing. Like this was a signifier. Like this is about to happen. These lines are the moving averages. You can add them pretty easily. I don't know, like you can click off of them. You can click them on. You're on TradingView or are you on Binance? So anyway, indicators. Okay, so let's talk about indicators. Now that Volcron brought it up. Check this out, guys. Where is it? No. No. Here. Okay. This is what TradingView looks like when you access it directly from the website. When I access it normally through Binance, this is like the Binance's version that I get access to through having a membership with Binance, and they like pay TradingView to access this. So it's different, okay? Check it out. Look at that. Another jiggity jump. What the fuck? Why? Is BTC going down right now? Ghost? No, it's not. Dude, it's went up for the last day. I bought a little bit of it for 31.2 and I sold it at 32.8. So anyway, moving averages are awesome. I was watching this crypto anoop who was pointing out how, like, you're not at the cusp of it. Like, you're not at the very top or the very bottom when you see these things happen, but they reflect a trend that is not like about to end. Like right here, you might have thought you would be here live when they crossed, and you could have thought to yourself, it might go back up right here. But that would not be the way you should think, because if these crossed right here, you would say, shit, no way, it's going to get worse. Time to get out. And it did. And here, this could have been a point where you would have thought maybe it's going to go back down. But it didn't. They would have crossed. You would have said, no, I'm pumped, I'm bullish. And look at this. Look at what happened here. 20 fucking dollar jump. You would have nailed it. If you had seen this action right here, where pink crosses yellow, and we're possibly going to go up, you could have bet down, and look, it's a 20 jump right there. So we're about to see whether or not they're going to cross. AMG got 15. Damn, go for it, dude. Yeah, that's it. So check this shit out. Look at this chart. Now, this chart is not live for some fucking reason. I don't get a live chart on TradingView. If someone can tell me why, I think it's because maybe I don't pay them for a premium. You can tell me. I'm not doing that. I don't get the last 2 days in TradingView when I use it directly. I don't pay them though, so I don't know. Anyway, look at these numbers. Dude, there's thousands of algorithms that you can apply to your chart. Look at these numbers. If it's like a 7, 8, or a 9, then that means it's topping out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these numbers populate before, like during the time. I know, I've been messing with it all day. I got favorites and everything. Dude, they got awesome ones. I'm trying to show you. What do you want to show me? What's your favorite one, Pop? What's your favorite indicator, dude? Show me. Huh? Upside Tsuki Gap candles. You like them? I don't know if I like them. Oh, no. So if you don't have a paid account, you can only use so many at a time. 3 at a time. I was looking at the tweezer bottoms, dude. Look at tweezer bottoms. This is a special little flag that tells you shit's about to go up. It says tweezer bottom, a double tweezer bottom. What do you guys know about tweezers? What do you guys know about tweezers, dude? Tweezers. Cipher. You said Cipher B. Why can't I find it when I search it? All right. Let me go to indicators. scripts. Cipher. Am I spelling it right? Fu Manchu Cipher. Oh yeah, I got Cipher with divergences, dude. What's up with the divergences, dude? Fuck yeah, what about this? Market Cipher A free. Unfucking real. What should I do? This one? Or this one? I'll do the top one. Dude, you click on this. Alright, I'm showing you guys how to do it. You go down here. Add to favorite indicators. Now you can do this shit. Go back to your chart. Go to favorites. Click on the mofo. Boom. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna close that one. It's actually not super attractive right now, is it? Why do I have a green dot here? Is that a buy, even though it's high over the top? This does not look exactly like the Cipher chart. Both, oh, Fu Manchu A and B. Oh, what do I have? What do I have? What am I done? That was weird. It's not showing here, but I have it on, I guess. Okay, A and B, God mode. You sure about this? Yeah, boy! We've crossed! We have fucking crossed, y'all! It's buy time. I'm literally thinking about buying more money, putting more money into this right now. How much cash do I have in my bank account? You guys aren't even fucking helping me or nothing. God. You want me to buy all my own stuff? Dude, what if we're bully all day tomorrow? What if we're bully all day tomorrow? I need to deposit funds. Give me that money. Give it to me now. Give it to me now. Alright, I'll buy another Ethereum. What the hell? Let's get stupido. Let's get stupid. Let's get stupid. Stupid, 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 stupid. Let's get stupid. I might want to wait for it to come back down a second. Huh. Shitballs. Who likes 15 minutes versus 30 minutes versus 5 minutes versus 2 hour? The 15 minutes crossed. The 30 minute has not crossed yet. The 1 hour has not, it's hitting. Let's look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes been crossed. Look at that. The 5 minute you would have been buying. You'd have been buying an hour ago, and you would have been able to. If you'd bought it when you crossed here, you'd have been able to buy it at 12.30. It'd be up $40 a share right now. 1 second candles. Crazy. You're gonna have a heart attack watching that shit. Why doesn't this update? I was looking at this earlier and I was like, why doesn't this make sense? Because it's not now. I don't know how to get the current 2 days on this shit. But anyway, guys, look at this. This is TradingView.com. You go sign up for your account. You go up here. You can search for scripts. You type it in, whatever we typed in, Cipher. go and click on whatever you want. You click here, and this is free. Free. I haven't paid any money. Add to favorites here. It's removed because it says remove because I've already added it, which adds this script basically. Then you go to your chart, which takes you here, and then you just go to indicators, favorites, and then you just pick the one that you want. It's so fun. His last days, what's up? Nice. Thank you for stopping by. Everybody give a like on your way in. That'd be very, very special. Very, very, very special. You missed my joke about I was talking about something. It's not going to be as funny unless I tell the whole joke. It'll just sound sick if I just say it. Didn't I tell you guys we started the stream right here? You guys called it and I called it. We said some shit was about to go down. I said in the next hour we're going to see a massive change. And look at us. And Wu Manchu as well, and activate that as well. Oh yeah. Well, why don't you tell me how to fix this chart? Because right now I only get up until 48 hours ago. It doesn't give me the last 48 hours. Oh, did you hear that? Did you guys hear that beeping? Who heard that beeping just now? So you can set alarms for like buy times. Like this is I guess this is a big buy symbol. This is a big buy symbol, sell symbol, sell symbol, sell symbol. But look, I don't know why sells are in green and buys are in red. But anyway, Volcron, are you out of America or not? Because I just feel like Americans are being blocked from using leverage, if I'm not mistaken. Change the bottom to 5 days. No, it didn't. It didn't fix it last time. I tried that. Yeah, see, it only takes me up to the 21st, 2 days ago. God, I want this. I figured. Dude, I can't sign up for anything. I can't buy any fucking stocks that are altcoins. I can't use apps. I can't use the international version of Binance. I can't use the international version of Coinbase or anything that's recommended. I watch all these brilliant people talk about shit to use, and I want to go use it. Even I want to try mining. I can't. The more serious I get into trying to mine, the more impossible it becomes. Americans are blocked from mining and anything having to do with this. And we're supposed to be the free ones. We're supposed to be free. But it's weird how fucking blocked I am. No, I can't use a VPN. That's, first of all, that's a violation of terms of service of a lot of things, violating your agreements. What you're telling me is, and I know it's 2021, so this seems like okay idea, but what you're telling me is that what I should do is use a software application to trick another software application into thinking that I'm from somewhere that I'm not, so that I'm allowed to use it. Unfortunately, I just feel like that's not a very smart move for somebody who's not looking to mess around with the law or whatever else comes along with those kinds of tricks. Look, I stole a lot of stuff back in the day of Napster, okay? Like video recorded videos of people in a movie theater, okay? You know, bad copies of movies, but they were just downloaded free off of LimeWire, okay? So I don't know what's going to happen if I mess around with that stuff anymore. Just kidding, but seriously. Uh-oh. Don't get fresh on me. Don't get fresh on me. Boop. Oh yeah, this looks nice. Boop. What do I have here? This is what, previous night high? What did we just break the local high? What were we here? 1264. 1264. All right, let's break through that if we could, please. You know what I'm into? You know what maybe you guys missed this. Nobody said anything about my Jeep shirt. Nobody said anything about my Jeep shirt. Problem with that is it's not just a shirt, it's a lifestyle. I have a Jeep. I've said this before. I have a Rubicon JLU and I take it off road and it's fucking sweet. I really, really want to get this live. Why can't I watch it live? That's what I want to know. Whatever. Pass. Yeah, these need to stay away from each other. As long as these two stay away from each other, we're gonna keep going up. Like this needs to do this. Just stay away from each other. Quid pro quo. I wouldn't doubt it. Have you seen this run right now? Dude, shit got really real. This was all the cross patterns right here. Red crossed below here. Pink crossed below here. Pink went back up here, but red stayed bottom. Red stayed bottom, and now it's breaking away from both of these guys, and pink is staying under yellow. By the way, in case you didn't know, that's another way that I'm going to be using to watch very, very closely about trends. Trends are important. Are we bully? Are we beary? Look at this. This is so bully right here. Oh my gosh. This doesn't even make sense. Candles are not, they're supposed to touch each other. Like, they have to touch. That's the definition of these candles, is that one of the markers is where it started, is the starting point. Like that's why you see like this, like the bottom was here and the starting point was here. Like that's why that line is here. Like one line is the starting point, one line is the highest it was in that time frame. One point is the lowest it was at that time frame. In this case, the lowest was also the starting, which is why it looks like this, which means it spent its entire time going up. It went up this much, but then came down and ended here. That's what this candle means. That means during this entire 15 minutes that this was traded, it started here and went up and then came back down and ended here. This one started here. Now, over the course of 15 minutes, it moved around a lot, but it ended up here. For 15 minutes, this one went up this much and then down this much. Maybe it came down to here, but that's kind of how these things are supposed to be working. Cipher with an I. CI. Are you able to see, like, can somebody confirm that they can go to TradingView right now and get a chart and the chart has the current time frame and not like 2 days ago? Look at, as soon as I load it up, I'm back to January 21st, 2 days ago. And I don't get the current time. I don't get that. It's driving me crazy. I like the 5-minute chart right now. I like the 5-minute chart right now, guys. I think it's my favorite. Where did we hit here? What did we hit? Oh, okay. We need to break up through 1270. We really need to. Guys, this is it. Look, I want to show you this trend that I was looking at recently. Look at this trend. This has been plaguing the shit out of us since we hit that high 4 days ago. We've had this kind of this open angled decline. Okay, we've had like an open angled like decline this whole time, and we had to break out of it to run. And look what we're doing. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize we were doing that right here. What a crossroads. If we break through here, we'll officially be out of this fucking stable decline we've been in. This is a really stable, like, and then look at here. Get out of here. Break the fuck out, G. Oh yeah, this is looking good. Run, baby, run. I'm about to call my stupid ass friend here and see if he decided to show up tonight. If he doesn't answer, he'll... What's up?
Oh shit, everyone just left.
What?
Everyone just left.
Dude, look at Ethereum right now.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, dude. It's time, bro. It's fucking time. I just dropped another G in my Robinhood account so I could buy another one of these fucking things.
1260.
Yeah, well, it's jumped up. It's jumped up 25 in like positive increments for like the last hour. It's breaking out of its previous funk in a way that's very attractive. A way that is very attractive. Dude, if you had been fucking logged on and...
How does Bitcoin do?
Let's look at Bitcoin.
Not as good.
No. I said let's look at it. Yeah, it's good. Real fucking good. Dude, right here. Right fucking here. This is when you would have bought. You would buy here. And look, you're breaking away. And look what fucking happens. Jesus Christ.
What are you talking about?
Moving averages. Look at it. Breaks over here. Down, 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 down. I was watching some videos today on this guy called Crypto Anoop and another couple of dudes that were talking about moving averages. I was just trying to study moving averages and like moving averages theory and shit, dude. And if you look at like your short term, your midterm, and your long term moving averages and how they relate to each other, you can see if you're bullish or bearish. It kind of tells you like at what point you start to see there's more buyers than sellers or more sellers than buyers. If there's more sellers than buyers, price goes down. If there's more buyers than sellers, price goes up. And you can detect that stuff. And it's not like the fastest in the world, like where you're able to find the peaks, the highest peaks and the lowest valleys. But it does tell you a trend at some point where you're able to see what what where you might be at a guess, or you might be at a position where you're like, it might go up, it might go down, and if you're looking at the moving averages and the way they relate to each other, you can really see. Look at this coming down hard.
What's coming down hard? Ethereum?
No. This one particular metric we were. Look at this one particular metric that I was just talking about on Bitcoin, which had flown up from 31,820 to 32,300 in the course of an hour and a half. Still looking super attractive. Super duper attractive. I'll tell you what, I'll never wait too long. If I miss a peak, if I get to a peak and I hit a peak and it starts coming back down, I'm never going to miss that bailout again. I'm never going to miss that bailout. The bailout is so fucking predictable now. I'll like, when you hit the top and it like takes a dip and it's like, okay, I get it. And then you're like, well, do I stay in? It's going to keep going down or not? When it crosses, you already know. You already know. Dude, when was this? Right here, for example. Okay.
So if you use the candles and the wicks,
Yeah, I'm looking at the candles and the wicks, and I was talking about some really cool shit about that earlier, and if you were on, you would see it. But basically, all the candle wick styles have names. If it's flat on the top and the bottom, or if it's got long wicks on the top and the bottom, and if it has just like a little thin mark in the middle and long wicks on both sides, that's called the hanging man. Like if it's flat on the top or has a long wick on the bottom, that has a name. Like they all have names.
So what does it mean when it has a small wick on top and a wick on bottom?
Usually what you that doesn't necessarily mean anything, because that could be a green or it could be a red, and usually what you want to do is pair it with 2 or 3 candle wicks in progression. And so like 3 candle wicks produce like a flow. Like if you want to see, you can't use one candle wick to make a decision, but 2 to 3 candle wicks in comparison to each other, they start to produce a predictable change of change, or whatever you want to call it. So like if you had one that was solid green and didn't have any wicks, that would be good. But if you had one that was like solid green but had a wick on the bottom and was flat on the top, that would be better than if there was a wick on the top. And then with no wick on the top but a wick on the bottom and it's flat green on the bottom, then you can maybe start to assume that we're topping out a little bit and then it might start to come back. But you'd have to do that like in order. There's really not boom, boom,
Not
boom.
yet, man.
Anyway.
So what's the wick? What's the bottom wick mean?
Huh? What's the bottom wick mean? No, okay,
Yeah,
so the whole candle represents everything that happened over the course of the time frame of the chart that you're in. So let's say you're in a 15-minute time frame. That candle represents all the trading that happened in that that time frame. So let's say 15 minutes, that would be all the trading that happened in that 15 minutes. The very top of the tip is the highest price that it was, and the very bottom of the tip is the bottom price of what it was during that time frame. If the top is flat, that means that at the end of the time frame, that was the highest it was, and there was high trading, and you ended on a positive note. But like, you could have a lot of trading and break even, and you might have a huge wick on the top and like not a lot of meat or you can have like a hanging man in the middle, which is like you could have, but it could be red too. So it, like I said, you need more than one wick candle to kind of interpret it. But there's interpretive charts, and I pulled it up earlier. That's what these things do. That's what these things do. These things with do you watch like the market cipher with the software that BitBoy uses?
No, I don't think so.
BitBoy uses a really cool software that shows like all these kinds of like waves that cross each other, and like at certain points when they cross each other, then those are like really good buy and sell points, and he talks about them and uses them. And we can do candle stuff where I can like set up candles, okay? And what it does is it rates candles to the point where it'll tell you a number, and it'll be like the current is a 6, 7, 8, or 9, and that might mean like it's at its highest. It might break out. It's going to break out, go down. Like a 9 down, and it's definitely going down, or like a 9 up, and it's definitely going up. Like they have these really cool.
So do you feel like you're on a bull market right now?
AMG. I did it at 1250. I did it. I thought I said 1250. I can't recall if I did it at 1250. I think I did it at 1250.
Ethereum's at 1258 right now.
Yeah.
It was 1200 today.
Yeah, but as I've been so this guy I was talking about crypto. I knew this guy, Indian guy, nice channel. You should go check it out. He goes and he does this whole analysis on trades with moving averages, and he talks about how like when the lines cross, these are the kinds of things that you can happen that will happen, and this and that. And then he starts talking about all these names of things, and I was like, oh my gosh, he was naming the candle wicks, and then he was naming more formations than I've even ever heard of. So like this guy does like stock analysis from like stock traders that have known what to call stock movements for decades. And then you got like all these young people in crypto, and like they may be very familiar with it and experienced with it and good with it, but they don't know stock tickers and trends like these fucking stock traders that know this shit. Okay. It's not a script. I just manipulated the so moving averages, by the way, moving averages are part of the default on Binance.US's TradingView. Moving averages 7, 25, and 99, and you can just turn them on or turn them off. And that you can change the format of it. You can change it to the color and the line thickness. So today I just changed my line thickness up quite a bit so that they would be very bold. So when we went to go talk about them, we could see them very well. They've always been on all my charts that I've had with you guys this whole time, but they haven't been this thick or bold. I just changed them now so that we could illustrate this today. So this so Cypher is a cool market. Cypher is like a really awesome software program that you have to pay cash for. It's like between $600 and $1,600, and BitBoy uses it. Yeah, BitBoy, he is getting cringier. He needs to stop with that music.
It's hard to understand what you're saying a little bit.
Well, you could probably hear me all right if you want to jump on YouTube real quick.
It would be a delay.
It's not a delay. It's not a delay. What happened was you weren't set to live. best cross MA are 14.28. Really? Who told you that? All right. Why is that? Why are those better? Isam, why is 14.28 better? I see a lot of people using different things, but I just want to know why you think. God, this is good. This is all good, guys. These are both moving up at the same rate. And this is going to go down here. That's all good. Those are good things. Hey, there's JK. Oh, thanks for joining us, good friend. Check out this, dude. Check this fucking chart out. This one's actually not the greatest one. This one's not the greatest one at predicting. I've seen better numbers than these, actually. Like right here, it's basically telling you to sell. And this is telling you to buy. Imagine if you'd sold here and bought here and sold here. Oh, Jesus. Was it not? Oh, I thought I went and grabbed A. Well, that's strange. Huh. I thought for sure I grabbed it. Yep. Look at, it's good when yellow's over pink and red is under all of them. Right here, when pink is over yellow, you can check it out yourself, but look at how pink is over yellow like this and red is over pink and yellow, and look at what's happening. We're going down. But when they cross, this is like saying we're changing, we're going bullish. This is like a cross like this, a strong, confident cross like this is like saying we're going bullish. It happens over and over and over again. Look at right here. Pink crosses yellow, and look what happens. As soon as yellow crosses pink again, what happens? Dude, I've gone back weeks and looked at this. Weeks. Look at pink over yellow is bad. Pink over yellow is bad. I went back weeks and looked this up, and it's like insanely consistent. Pink under yellow. You want pink under yellow going up. You don't want pink over yellow. Look at, now look, it's going down. Weeks and weeks I went back. Look at pink under yellow, this whole giant bowl here. Right? This whole bowl here. What happened? Cross. Jeez. It's so fucking predictable. Look, it's not like perfectly timed. Like you'll miss some of the highest highs and you'll miss some of the lowest lows and all these things, but like this will stop you from after you get a switch your screen mode to black. What's black? I put all these colors in. Probably you want me to just do this? Is that what you want? Should have just said. Pink over yellow is bad. Pink over yellow is bad. Look at how pink's like just sitting over yellow. This whole bear run, pink's sitting over yellow. Where it's the most prominent, like this is all over the place. See how they're crossing? It's hard to tell what's happening. They're all, but like when yellow is generally over pink, we're bowling out. Isn't that crazy? It's so crazy. So anyway, I was looking at this today, and I realized there was this really predictable trend we were in. Oh, change this to black. First of all, I gotta find the cipher again. That's what I was doing. Scripts. Script cipher. Fu Manchu cipher A. Add to favorites. Go to charts. Go to indicators, favorites, A, B. It won't let me do B. I think it won't let me do B. Oh, I have B. I have B like 20 times. Okay, good, good. I don't know this one that well. Plus, this is 2 days old. This data is 2 days old. How do I make this black? It is bright. Too bright for me. Let's get back in here. This is still looking good. Looking good. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Ooh, not as good. This turn, where you want to try to cross right here, I don't like it. Probably should have jumped out there at 1267. Don't watch the 1 minute, guys. Hit the 3 lines top left. Hit the 3 limes. 3. This one? No. Top left. Hit the 3 limes. Top left. Oh, hold on. No, we want pink under yellow for sure. For sure. You want just like this. Anyway, I had taken a let me you know what? Shit, I can pull it up. I can fucking pull it up. I took a picture of something and I wanted to show you guys, and let me see. I named it The Secret. This is shit. You can't see this shit. How do you go full screen with it? Go full screen, please. Slideshow. Yeah, why not? Okay. Check that cross MA14 and 28 in 1 hour time frame. Yeah, it is. Except I don't think it's starting to get worse, because you can see the 1 minute's getting worse. The 5 minutes getting worse. The 15-minute hasn't caught up yet. So we're within 5 minutes of a possible slowdown here. Plus this. This, and this. Yep. I was thinking I wouldn't be surprised if we saw this right here. Boo! If we don't break through this right here, I'll be really sad. This is a really, really big deal. This is a 4-day trend line. If we break through this, we'll be breaking outside of our 4-day trend line, and that'd be really, really fucking something. Yep, look at here. Starting to cross here. Don't cross it. Don't cross it. It might bounce off. They might bounce off of each other. We had it like we need like a little breather room. Need a little breather room. Like this, you know, you need this kind of natural flow. It's not gonna just go like this. It needs a little bit of recovery. Some people are going to sell off. Yeah, I think we're looking really good. I don't even know what that was. I think we're looking really good. This was an example. I went back and looked at it and saw crosses that led to major changes. That's just taking up all the damn space in the world. Okay, what happened? We crossed and got bearish, crossed again, got bullish, crossed, got bearish. I don't like how it looks like they're about to cross again. Can I get a thumbs up from anybody who is interested? Tell you what, JK, I didn't mention this to you after you got here, but a couple of my videos got taken down because I played videos in the background, and I guess I didn't realize it. I guess I didn't realize that we would get the video taken down. I thought it might get demonetized, or they might put ads in it, and like the other person might get money for it or whatever. I don't even care about any of that. But they took the whole video down, and I was like, oh, that sucks. So yeah, so I'm not sure I'm gonna be playing Planet Earth videos anymore. Nobody fessed up to that, by the way. I was playing those Planet Earth videos and they were hilarious, but somebody did not fess up to that. Oh, somebody said check out the 1 hour. It's obviously going to look nicer because we're looking at, and still it's not that nice, to be honest. Yeah, it's not nice. Look at right here's your problem. We've crossed over. I don't want to do that. Yeah, that's so you can see this resistance here. Boop, boop, boop. I don't like this at all, though. I think we're gonna slow it down a little bit. It's starting to slow down. Yes, it was Planet Earth. Who did that? Who said to watch that? Dude, Jimmy Kimmel came down on me so hard. He called my personal fucking cell phone. Oh. Oh, I think that's a code. Is that the Chandas? No. It's not that. So anyway, up here on the chart, you can, like this thing, if you go here, you can put all kinds of fun stuff on your chart. Okay. I haven't gone through all these things. This is the moving average cross, which I think is pretty much what we're trying to look at, but it's a 926. And so we have to play around the short and the long. I think this is the one that I want to use to like be really predictive. You can like see it or not see it by hitting the little eyeball. Yeah. 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 Let me see here. Yeah. So this is the same. This is a similar thing. This is just the same thing, except for instead of having 3 different lines for moving averages, 7, 14, and 28, this one shows 2 lines for 9 and 26, which is not really any different than if I want to do 7 and 26. I could just set that. So if I just want to do yellow and pink, we can do that. This is what it looks like. I'm not pumped about that though. Let's go get the 5-minute here. Oh hey, we've resisted. We've resisted. Yeah. Yeah, it's looking safe, guys. It's looking real safe. How much longer do we have? Oh my gosh, it's 10:30. Shit. Look at what happened here, and here, and here. When pink crosses. This is such a good picture for it. Look what happens when pink crosses here, and when pink crosses here, and when pink crosses here. Such a good picture for it. God, we're hitting that hard fucking top. God, we're hitting a hard top. Jesus. $12.60 is a fucking hard top. Jesus H. .71. Keep running. Keep running. Let's go. Well, we still got the 1440 to break. Look, once this breaks out of this current bear run we've been in for 4 days straight, this is what we've been doing for 4 days straight. And this is really reminiscent of this. How much was that of a run? 12% almost? Let's say this shows a mere 10%. 1360 is possible by how long did that take before? From here to here, this was what? That was not 2 days. This is not 3 days. Okay, that's weird. Oh, that's not helpful. Why does it keep taking it from back there? What the fuck? Alright, there's a setting for that. Show objects tree. Magnet. Where's the magnet? No, it's not the magnet. What? Consistent or confident? So when you, I can't even go on Bybit. As an American, you can't sign up for Bybit, which is fucking stupid. But what you can do is you can set like stop losses and shit. So it's like if it gets too bad, then you won't like. If it gets too bad, then it'll sell at a loss, but it won't lose all of it. Come on. Come on, you motherfucker. Stick with it now. Well, I'm not nearly as confident as I was. Jeez. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like that one. The 30-minute is attractive. Oh, let's watch the 30-minute. That makes me feel better. I like the way this one looks quite a bit more, actually. This will make me feel better. I'll watch this one. That's what I tell you. You can't watch the 1 minute and the 5 minute chart. You have a fucking heart attack. Well, we got to break through 1260. We got to like break through 1260. Like, if we want to go any fucking where, we need to break through 1260. Apparently, that's a really hard cap. Like between 1260 and 1270, there's a hard ass cap, a real hard one, and it's no joke. I mean, you mean the next resistance above the one that we're currently hitting? We keep bouncing off of 1260. Keep bouncing off of this 1264, 1264, 1272. We hit 1272 here earlier today. This is only putting us where we were 18 hours ago. Let's see if I did that math right. 18 hours ago. We're only where we were 18 hours ago. This is a nice run. But look at this, guys. Look at this game. You could have played this all day. Right here, this was today at 11 a.m. If we'd been watching this crisscross, you could have placed a bet right here for 12:30. And this cross here, you could have sold at 12:48, 15 a share, whatever. It's nothing. 15 a share. That's why you gotta do this. People do this to pump it up, make it look like it's huge, but really it needs to really look like this, you know, or this. What's the difference between let's see. Oh, I can't do a line. What happens if I put on drawing? Then it'll look like this. This line is 1270 and this line is 1260. Does this distance look like it should be $10? Does this distance right here look like it's $10? Does that look like $10? Does this look like $10? This definitely looks way more than $10. Let's see. I mean, $10 should look like this. Can't believe it's already 9:30. It's been an hour and a half. Holy shit. We got 51 people on the chat, and what's happening? What is happening? Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. We had 51 people in the chat, and we had no thumbs up, and it was like really weird. No thumbs up, no subscribers. So I just thought we'd just put a thing out there in case anybody was interested. This is 2 days old. Does anybody have this live yet? Yamto Mayi, welcome. I think that's the first time I remember seeing that name. We are at an interesting impasse right now, and Ethereum has a chance to break out of the mold and take off and go break through this 4-day trend. We've had like this really bearish 4-day trend where we've had ups and downs, but overall for 4 days. Did you buy the TradingView? Do you pay for something? Like, I go to my chart, guys. Look, I just did it. I just showed you. And it doesn't show past 2 days ago. It doesn't show past January 21st. Give me a second here. Give me a fucking second. Why is it going by? All of a sudden, it's going by 5 minutes. Why is it going by 5 minutes all of a sudden? There we go. Look, it stops on January 21st. How do I get this to go live? This thing is, I was showing everyone earlier, but this is like Market Cipher, but it's free. Market Cipher is like $600, and you can go on this and go to indicators, and you could look up all these different like codes that people wrote and gave you for free, so that you can apply to your chart to make it look like this. Isn't that sweet? There it is. We did it. We fucking did it. We are so smart. SMRT. Oh, I set a couple of alarms for when it's time to buy or sell. But I don't like these kinds of alarms that tell you good points to do things. Oh yeah. Man, they're playing a game. Y'all are playing a real game. This is very, very attractive though. Now this is, oh God, it says January 21. It says January 24th of 21. Oh my God. Am I high? Am I fucking high? Can I just make it live then? Yep. I don't know how to use TradingView as much as the other one, even though it's actually TradingView. I just don't know how to go any further with this. Can I make it live, or is it just stuck here now? What do I have on? I have the cipher A, and then you have cipher B down here, which is, what was this? Is that supposed to be a cell? We gotta take this out for the minute. What is it on the minute? It's on the 5 minute? Let me go to the 30 minute here. Ooh, 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 ooh. And now we're up. We're overextended here. We're overextended again. What's a triangle mean? I don't know what the triangle means. This red dot means buy, though, I think, doesn't it? Yeah, fuck yeah. You get one of those red dots and it's like buy city. Buy. Not this one. That was a bad one. This one's good. Maybe it's a change. Like you could buy or sell on a red dot. I don't know. Who knows it? I know I haven't tried the app. No. Let's put it on the 2 hour or the 4 hour. 2 hour. Whoa, what is this? That's a buy. And that's a sell. 1270 is a sell. Huh. Is that what that means? Is that what it's telling us? 1270 is a sell? Let's see what happens if I set 3 Ethereum to sell. 2. I'll set 2 to sell at 1270 just to see. Is that what we should be shooting for? That'll be funny. Hekmatola, I gotta tell you, so these crazy predictions that people keep doing, I've seen a couple of people illustrate why they think Bitcoin will be 100,000 and Ethereum could be 10,000 and all this. It's pretty ignorant, actually. If you look, they're like, well, we went up this month. Between December and January, we went up this much. So if you extrapolate how much growth we've had in a linear fashion between December and January and extend it for 8 more months, then you'll know how much it's worth. What are the chances? What are the chances that we have the same growth on average for the next 8 months that we've had for the last month? What are the chances of that? Why would we use it as our ability, like our thing that we would use to decide whether or not we think what the price will be in 8 months? Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. It's very nice. What is Bitcoin blowing up right now too? Is Bit blowing up right now? What is here? It got up to 32.3. Tell me when you break this. What is this? What is this? 33.8. 30. Tell me when you break 33.850. Then I'll be like, whoa, we're blowing up. This is still new lows. This is like low, lower, lower, lower. Can still be lower than even before. It could top right. It could top out there. And then you're like, oh my gosh, that looks like a trend. Go figure. Is it breaking out of that trend? Almost. What's this cycle? What is this cycle to you? People keep mentioning the bear cycle, bull cycle. Is this bull cycle something that we're talking about is the overall positive trend over the course of the next 6 months? Is that what everyone's thinking? This is good. This is good movement. What is I see bulls for 2 days, and then we're bearish for 2 days, and then we're more bullish than we were, and so we have an overall positive. But like, if you were talking about overall trend, when do I think the overall value, the way that you would know if the bull run was over, I guess by that definition, is that when the bull run is over, when Bitcoin is back at 12,000, 10,000. People will be like crazy about Bitcoin until it breaks under 15,000 and it doesn't go back up over 15 or 20. And they try and they try. If you try, they try to get Bitcoin back up over 15 or 20,000 for 2 weeks, and then they can't. Then we're going to be bearish. Like, I don't know. Are we bearish when we pop under 30? Are we in a bear cycle when we pop under 25 on Bitcoin? Are we in a bear cycle? At what point? It's like when we get under 20K and we can no longer get above 20K, they'll probably say that's for sure we're in a bear cycle. I guess that would be my guess. This looks nice though. This. Ugh. Okay. So are you guys familiar with the halving? Who's familiar with the halving? Halving refers to the number of coins that miners receive for adding new transactions to the blockchain being cut in half. So basically, every 4 years, this is a cycle that Bitcoin is published, that every 4 years that there's a thing called the halving, which is that half as much Bitcoin is produced per transaction that's currently mined for the same amount of mining. And so the basic idea is that the supply of Bitcoin gets cut in half every 4 years, and it is the reason why things went up in 2017, and it is the reason why things went up in 2021, and is the reason why they'll apparently go up in 4 years in 2025. We'll be in a bear cycle for 3.5 years between now and then. This is all something I've heard from 2 different folks, but Bitcoin, the halving, apparently it's a thing. Look it up. Check ETH. I am on ETH. Yeah. Break through. Break through, you son of a bitch. Oh, I just sold two. I just sold two. I just sold two, huh? What did I get for it? What do I get for it? I wonder. What's the total notional? Filled quantity, filled date, entered amount. I didn't get 1270. I didn't 2526. What's 2526? Huh. Huh. I did. Yeah, that's probably true. That's probably true. I think I did just do that. I think I just whatever. I'm up 30 bucks from when I started this stream. I guess. I don't know how much I'm up. I would have been up by more if I hadn't paid all these fees, all these insane fees. Look at that. Why is it? It's telling me it's gonna stop any minute. It's saying it's gonna stop any minute. We're overextended right now. We're going too hard, too fast. Mr. Yoshi, what happened? What happened? Nothing happened. We're doing regular ups and down, up, down, and now we're on an up, and we might go up further than we go down, and then we'll be breaking out of this kind of cycle. I actually tried to draw something earlier, which I'm not sure how well it reflects, but oh shoot, I had it drawn. No, I fucked it up because when all this stuff appeared. Well, long story short is, look at this movement. It's very predictable that this was about to happen right here. Between this window and this window, I drew this and this, because they said at this moment we're going to have a big conformational change, which I think is either going to be an up or down. And I drew this line because this is a 4-day bear trend. And I said if we break this, we're breaking our 4-day bear trend, which we did break. It looks like we did break it. And we got yellow over pink at the 15-minute. We're going up. Clay, this is not Market Cipher. This is TradingView. TradingView is this. I use TradingView on Binance.us here, and they allow you, for having an account with them, to use a chart by TradingView. But if you go to TradingView.com, you can go and make a cool chart there for free if you'd like to. I guess it doesn't seem entirely free. I get a lot of ad pop-ups and a lot of warnings about how I'm on a trial and this and other things. I'm starting to wonder how long all this is available for free. But in any case, you can build indicators. Go onto the TradingView website and go and find, like, this is one type of thing, but you can find tons. You can find, well, let's look at some other cool ones. So if we search scripts, if we look at oscillator scripts, top oscillator script, top volatility scripts, I like moving volume. I like moving average. I wonder which one of these is really fucking awesome. Oh, get out of here. What? So anyway, I don't know. Maybe I want to try double exponential. Let's try this. Open source only. That way it's free. Some people actually charge for their scripts. It's got 60 likes. There's a lot more popular ones. Like if they're super popular, if people like them, this one's like 4,000. Oh, that's the MACD one you were talking about. Who was talking about MACD? We got MACD zero lag. Oh, I didn't realize you were talking about a script. You should have said it was a MACD script. What's the script that you use again? That's a good question. Leveraged it times 20 at 12.25. Oh, Volcron. You got to give me a tip off of that. Just kidding. I don't think you guys are technically allowed to pay me for any advice. I am not. This is for entertainment purposes only. Here we go. Clickety click click. Add to favorite indicators. Click. Go to your chart. You can refresh. Sometimes it doesn't appear unless you refresh. Yeah. Okay, here it is. Okay, so these are all different overlays. Like this is an overlay and this is an overlay, and I can only have 3 up at a time because I have a free account. MACD Dima. Okay, guys, look at this. I don't even know how to read this. You tell me if I can read this. This is getting hard to read. When this ribbon is above the line, we're a little bit overextended. Jason? No. Jeez. No. Well, I sold 2 at 1270. I set a limit order for 1270. Guys, I'm going to tell you this right now. I set a limit order for 1270. That would be 1270 times 2540 is what I should have got. What did I get? $25.22. $25.40 is what I should have got. Why didn't I get that? It actually sold for higher. It sold for 1261.23, but I got charged 1261.23 divided by 2. No, not 1261. They sold at 1261. What is happening? Am I fucking having a brain fart? What is happening? I swear I set a market limit order for 1270 and I apparently sold 2 at 1261. Am I crazy? Nice. do need a beer. It's 11 o'clock and I have to work in the morning. God damn it. Well, this one's, I don't know, which one was it? This one and this one? Oh yeah. Now that we've broken through 1280, I think we can hit 1300 pretty quick. What the fuck? What is happening now? What is that? Long dick dong. Jesus. We just broke 1290? Holy Jesus. Yeah, we're definitely breaking through our trend. We're breaking out of 4 days trend. I'm so upset about that. This thing fucked me, Mr. Mr. Smoke. I'm pretty sure it was telling us that we're way overextended right now and that it's time to sell, but nope. It just keeps going up. Look at that candy candle. Look at that candy candle. Whoop. It's only 6%, y'all. Everyone calm down. Okay? Let's go. Look. A 13% run is not unheard of. That was 17%. That was 13%. This is looks like an elephant trunk here. Could it be? Could it be? Oh my gosh, we broke 1300. We did it. Holy shit, guys. Nice. Nice desu ka. Nice desu. Fuck. I can't. 67 people and only 29 likes. Smash that like button if you want to get rich off of Ether. I heard one guy talking about smashing the like button, and he said it in a way that was like so fucking hilarious. I was like laughing my ass off. He said something like, if you're anything like me and extremely buff and strong, then just lightly tap the like sign. We don't want you smashing through it. However he said it was really fucking hilarious. Nick, I don't know how many times you're allowed to like it. I feel like you're probably only allowed to like it one time. I'm just saying. I just feel like that's probably Now we got 70 people. Everyone just blasting on through. Look at this blast off. What in the fuck? Let's look at the 5 minute. Still looking good on the 5 minute. Oh wow. The 1 minute? Still looking good on the 1 minute. Guys, we're blowing up. At least for another 5 more minutes. Another 15 more minutes. Oh yeah. I think that's a loading problem. $80 people watching. Oh my god. What is up, everybody? Thanks for showing up. Send us 1 ether. Yeah, right. Turtle, you selling at 1400 is the reason why we're going to start seeing really soft tops, hard tops. Buy sell indicator script though? I don't know. Hekmatola. Cool, thank you. This is not... Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, there we go. That's how you make it look like it's a lot more growth than it actually is. Fuck yeah. Holy shit. Look at this go. Uh-oh. We're getting a wick? Are we getting a wiki wick? Little staircase. Why does this fucker keep popping up over here? I don't understand what is happening with this. Load the 15-minute better, please. That was a nice 15 minutes. Look at this block is solid, top to bottom. Holy shit. You know what? If I see this hit 1500, I'm going to be like, oh. Sorry about that. I don't know why I don't have any pants on. I'm going to have to answer to my wife about why it looks like I fucking messed up my whole desk here. That was messed up. Buy in. Dude. I actually sold a couple at 1270. I had a limit order set for 1270 and we broke through 1270, by the way. Well, you think buying in now? You don't think it's just ever going to stop? I'll buy in, I'll come back in the morning, and what'll we be? Let me look. What happened here? How long did it take for this to happen? That happened in 5 hours. Compare this to this. 5 hours we lost 15%. I could buy now. I could be down there at 11.15. I don't know. No, this is a new trend. This is a new trend. This is volatile as shit. It's gonna break down at some point. Like, you look at these increases, you know. 5.5, 6, 6. You know, if you look at nice big increases, like regular itty bitty dips are between 2 and 4, but when you look at like some real nice big increases, that's 10, and then it fell right back down, 8%, just like that. Look at that spike up. Holy shit. Holy shit. Huh. It's still looking good on the cipher too. We're still going up. What in the fuck? I didn't think we'd go up this high. Jiro's right. Don't chase. This is not the time to be buying usually. Buying will just drive this price up. Buying will artificially inflate it. If we all get extra excited and we all buy in just to sell, it'll artificially inflate it. And if you've ruined buys here at the top of the hype, then we're close to the top of the hype, then price only goes down. Price only tops out at the top of the hype. So this could be the top of the hype and you don't want to be buying in here. That having been said, this is a nice, beautiful trend that doesn't look like it's slowing down at all. Can't watch a 5-minute chart, guys. It's just too much. What up, Mitch? Did anybody see that thing I did with the stuff I was squirting all over the place? I was trying to tell a joke earlier about that, and some of you may be here that don't know what that joke was about. Yamto, Mai, you bought how many? No, don't tell me. How many did you buy at 160? One? Yeah, no, I mean, I sold at 12. I had automatic sales to sell. I have one, another Ether. Right now I'm only messing around with actually 4. I had set 2 to sell at 1270. And they sold, but apparently, where did the adult rating come from? Look, I'm going to put it this way. Jay, you may not have heard earlier, I was telling everybody, YouTube started yanking my shit, and I was like, oh, fuck. I don't know why they're yanking my shit, but it occurred to me that if there's ever a future of me on YouTube, I have to like not be so absent-minded. Like, I didn't give a fuck about what I put. I put other people's streams on my stream. I'll put any music videos on my stream and shit on my stream, and I'll talk about it and laugh about it and okay, that does not count as those review, it doesn't count as review, by the way. And like those videos that people watch where they watch it and they give you their reaction, those reaction videos, those are not monetizable videos. Those people whose videos are in reaction videos, they can go after you for your copyright license. There's no monetization for that activity. And also there's a bunch of lawsuits right now where a lot of those people who did reaction videos who did get monetized through YouTube or got sued, and they have to pay many thousands of dollars. And that's happening right now. Like that just happened. So I don't think I should play other people's videos, and not because I don't care if I got monetized. I don't want to get sued, first of all, and second of all, like if I ever get monetized, then they can sue me. Like they're not going to sue me now. I'm not monetized, but if I did get monetized, then they would sue me, and then that would suck. 1440 probably. What is this? I mean, there's going to be soft resistances for all the way up, but if you want to know what I'm talking about when I say 1440, I mean this is the next. This will be 1380. Obviously, will be a pretty nice soft top, but 1440 is a hard top. This is a soft top, probably 1380 is a soft top, and then 1440 is a hard top. If we have to break through that, if we ever want to get going. Yeah, so I was actually reading about fair use today. The fair use is, we're at the end of the triangle. We just broke out of the triangle, by the way. I had a triangle going. It was something like this. Oh, there it is. So yeah, so this was my triangle that I had for a while now, and I don't know, maybe early this morning, I don't know, maybe yesterday, but I had set these up, and before this happened, I had said that within this time frame at the end of this triangle there was going to be a jump up or a jump down, but probably a jump up, and that's what happened. Yeah, we're bullish right now. I actually was expecting us to slow down just a little bit, but we broke through this 4-day trend. We broke through this 4-day like open angle trend that we were rocking, and we broke 1300, and our moving averages are still in the positive directions. See yellow over pink. And as we look at this chart, it is still very attractive. Starting to turn a little bit there, isn't it? Oh, we got a second green. What the fuck? Look at that. That's a lot. Look at this ribbon. Jesus H. Sky's the limit, I guess. We'll get an alarm soon. One hour chart. Still up. We haven't gotten notification to. So the thing is, guys, this, look at this triangle is a notification to sell. Notification to sell. Notification to sell. We always have it. Like right now, it's always sell. Like we've already surpassed the top that was expected by these analytics. This thing is telling us basically to sell now. Sell now. It's like that's what this is. Sell, sell, sell. As we go up, it'll continue to be. But I was expecting it to top out a little bit by now, but yeah, Let's see here, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. No, we're still good. We still good. We are still good. Got 94 people in the chat now. Hello everybody, welcome. We've been doing this every night at like 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just for fun. Join our Discord. Chrome, are you there? Chrome, can you post a Discord link so everyone can join the Discord? We were talking, chatting it up today. If you were interested in like making any quick trades during the day, we did pretty good nailing things throughout the day. For example, right here, and here as one or the other. What time was it? Right here, guys. What right here? One of these, right around here. I posted a video today. I posted on Discord and I said, guys, we've had a beautiful run all day. All the metrics are saying slow the fuck down, be careful, probably want to pull out, don't buy anymore. And then look what happened. And then I posted on Discord, guys, I think we've bottomed out. I think we've hit a bottom out. Maybe watch it closely. We're looking good. And then this happened. So I don't know. I can't go live 24/7, but if you, I do watch like this shit like 24/7, and if I see changes, I'll post them on the Discord real quick. Definitely seeing resistance. Definitely seeing a lot of resistance at 1300. But this looks so good. This is strong. This is strong. Discord, guys, go join that Discord, and we'll all keep each other up to date. If anything's going down, if anything is like looking scary or good, and somebody notices something. I think it is loading up. Actually, I was just about to buy 2 more. There we go. It's normal, don't worry. Yeah, it's all normal. Uh-oh. What is that? Uh-oh. We got a little peek for the first time, guys. Oh, wow. This is the 1 minute? This does not look attractive to me. Look at that. Look at that big conformational change. Take some profits now for sure. What are you talking about, dude? If you need some like if you're due for some profits and 1300 will put you in the money, like grab a little bit out, man. This doesn't look good here. We've crossed back down. Oh, guys, the pink has crossed over the yellow. everything was looking so good. The thing is, I just bought 3 more, which is why it started to fucking change all of a sudden. I bought 3, so it said, oh, okay. Oh, okay. We'll get you, you motherfucker. So that's what happened. I bought 3 and then it decided to flip the script on us. Right there, didn't it? 2318! 2318! That's from Monsters. Monsters Inc. Oh, just now when it hit 1290. 1291. I'm hoping to catch this little baby dip. I'm hoping this is a little baby dip. Otherwise, yeah, 3.7. That's respectable. That's respectable. Let's see here. So if we actually go out to the 30-minute, and then we get out of the craziness, and then we look at what actually right here. So you can see our 4-day trend from a previous all-time high of 1440, whatever it was. We've been in this downward berry cycle for 4 days, and now it was our opportunity to break out, and we're breaking out. What's a new soft? I don't know. If we decide to go back into this trend, yeah. Dude, you locked in profits. That's always a win. You know what's? You can get more. There's always a chance you could get more profits, and there's always a chance that you could lose those profits. But when you lock in profits, you got them. You got them. It's great. Like, if you can make $60 a share on 3 shares, that's $180. $180 is a lot of money. That's good work. That's like, you know, for some people, that's days worth of work. $180. Really, to be honest, this Ethereum really doesn't fluctuate enough to do well monetarily unless you're trading with tens of thousands of dollars. Okay, look at this jump and a fall and a jump and a fall and a jump. Okay, and let's say you were watching all of this and you were predicting all of this and you were comfortable with all of this and you called it all. And you got it all right, 100% with no failures. And you went in here and out, or out here and you bought in, and you went out, you bought in, you went out. Okay. This was 122. 122 at 2 o'clock. 123 at 2 o'clock. Okay, so you got this, this, and this. This is all you had, right? You would have made this. 4%, and 4%. These kinds of things that have been 4%, you would have made 4%. You would have made 4% a day if you'd gotten it perfectly right. And 4% is amazing in a day. It's amazing. But what's 4% of $1,000? Is $40, right? So if you invested in $1,000 and you perfectly got it right, you would have made 4%. You would have made $40 a day. If you'd perfectly done it, if you got it, if you bought it at the bottom and sold it at the top, and you were trading with $1,000, you would have made $40. That's shit, to be honest. All that risk, $1,000 risk, all that perfect luck and timing, and you made $40. Where the chance of you losing more than that was probably much higher. Oh yeah, 5 minutes looking better. A little bit. We got 115 on the channel and negative 51 likes. Let's see if I can have everybody tap the like button twice. See if we have get back down to 0 likes. That would be better for us. This 5 minute is still looking pretty good. Let's see what the 5 minute over here looks like. A little bit of a recovery. When we hit that little peak there, I was starting to worry. Still got this nice upward trend. And we've gone back up above the line here. So that's nice. Federico, it can lose you money while you sleep too. It's all fun and games right now, but nobody was laughing here. Nobody was laughing here. Nobody was laughing here. Fuck, what happened? It made me money while I was sleeping. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, Control Z. I like the way it looks actually. The 5 minute looks nice. I think it's ready to push up through 13 again. Why not? $1,300 so far. Let's seek 2K by February 2nd. Nah, not at the space that it's been going recently. Dude, it would have to be bullish hard every day all next week. And then you wouldn't have to worry about February 2nd. It would be February 1st. It would be the 29th, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, you're right. Like long term, we're still in an overall bull market, I believe. Even if we've been down over the last 4 days, even if we hit all-time highs and then we've been down over 4 days, and we had the correction and the shakeout and then went bearish again, had a correction and a shakeout and went bearish again, actually. And so we did not decide to return to bullish behaviors after the shakeout, after we hit all-time highs twice, and 2 relative highs after the last all-time high. So we just continued to go bearish. And so now that's about to change. Who knows? So look at here. Sell-off, recovery, shakeout, change of confirmation. Sell-off, recovery, shakeout, change of confirmation. Sell-off, recovery, shakeout. We're about due for a change of confirmation. Yeah, let's change it. Let's change our confirmation. Your motherfucking confirmation. Let's go. I like the way that looks. I don't know why. Does anybody else like it? It's like really flat here and like really exposes what's going on here for some reason. Hmm. Hmm. Is it too late right now? Yeah, Chrome. Thank you for giving a shout out to that Discord. Guys, click that and go and talk. Let me go see if there's any action over there. Haro. For anybody who doesn't know, I know a little bit of Japanese. I studied Japanese in college. I lived in Japan twice. I worked for a Japanese company. And ooh, that hurt. Ooh, this isn't good. That rounded off a bit. Come on, stop that. Stop that. Yeah, I mean, Joseph, there's some truth to that. I mean, if you're not trying to buy and sell frequently, like you have to figure out what your frequency for buying and selling is. You no, okay, James, there's Coinbase has a lot of fees. Has at least 1% trading fee and this and another thing, but I use Robinhood for like Bitcoin and Litecoin and Dogecoin and anyway, use my link if you're going to try it out. Try Robinhood. I'm going to post it in the chat. They don't pay me, but I like them. I like to use them. And if you click my link and sign up, then we both get like a really useless, valueless stock for free, which is really fun. Maybe we'll both get a Ford stock or something. It's like $10. See, Roy confirmed it right there. He uses Coinbase, killed with fees. Hekmatola. Delete your Robinhood, pull out all your funds, then open a new Robinhood with my link. Okay? That'll help me get probably a $4 stock. It'd probably be worth it for you to do that. Yeah, so you have to decide how often you want to trade. Okay? Like, if you're trading daily and you're looking to make trades for profit daily, then you have to have a strategy that matches trading daily for profits daily. If you're trying to profit every few hours, then you can play this game. You know, if you're trying to make trades all the time, you can play this game and make a lot of profit doing that. But, you know, it's not worthwhile probably to do that with, like, I would say you'd probably need a few $1,000s to make this worthwhile, but what's Coinbase Pro got that the regular doesn't have? Chrome, you like Weeble too. My buddy JK is trying to get me to join Weeble. I might look into it. I don't know. What's so good about it? I wish I'd gotten into Tesla. I believe in Elon Musk. I believe he will spend the next 40 years being awesome, making great things and improving mankind, and we should back him. It's almost like paying taxes. Like, you know you should. What does this mean? Is this another buy or is this another sell? Look, we got a red dot into a green dot. For fuck's sake. This was a sell. Now we're into a buy. That's why we got to get out of the 1 minute. That's why you got to get out of the 1 minute. This thing is not predicting very well. Yeah, I don't like Binance either. Recently, they made me create a U.S. account and close my international account and move everything over. They said I had like 2 weeks to move over all accounts to the U.S. version, or they would take it. And I was like, what? Can you even do that? In America, they apparently do not fucking want you to fuck around with coins. They do not. Oh, I like this one. Ooh, that's nice looking. Let's try it out. Moving average ribbon. Let's see. I like that ribbon maybe better. I feel like it's not happening. What is this? What? Alright, get out of there, volume. More indicators, more trading. Right now your plan is 3 indicators limit. I don't even have 3 active. I don't have 3 activated. Alright, we'll just get rid of this one for now. This and every other damn thing. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's fun. That's real fun. Look at that buy too, right there. Oof, I like this one, guys. Who likes the way this looks? Oh, that's like buy. This thing can't keep up. This thing literally can't keep up right now. This one was called the MAR ribbon, moving average ribbon. That looks cool, doesn't it? This one's the VMC Cipher B, and this one's MACD. And you can move them down like this. We're still plowing through. Coinbase? Oh wait, are they going live with an IPO? GG. I make probably 4. Like when this is going on, like I will watch this. I will buy here and sell here. Buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy, Sell, buy, sell, get fucked, buy back in, sell here, which we should apparently do. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it to tell me to sell again. We're back over 1300 for a second there. This kind of behavior, if this continues to want to cross here, it's going to be a wrap. If the yellow doesn't like pick back up and the pink stay straight, then and they want to cross, then we'll have hit this pretty hard. We'll have hit 1300 really fucking hard. I don't know if I'm up. I don't know if this is live. So this is now. This is 2 hours. This is okay. So this was the beginning of this run right here. Okay. Oh, I like this. This was the beginning of the run. And it's not even necessarily peaked, although it looks like it could peak at any moment. I'm waiting for it to show signs of wanting to stop, which I'm expecting. You can't just have infinite growth, but yeah, I would imagine if it stops here, I'll probably try to get out at 1300. What did I buy in at? I forgot what my last buy-in was. What was my last buy-in? $12.93. God damn. We're fighting a fight right now, guys. $1,300. Break, go, break out. There you go. This was a really nice minute right here. That's a good minute. That's a good minute. Yeah, buddy. Damn, 1311, guys. Go. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Alright, dude, put it this way, guys. You essentially could have been made $90 on that. Since when? How old is this? Let's look at this real quick. Let's do a percentage. What time we want to look at? Right here. What time is this? Make 7% in 4 hours. 7% on your money in 4 hours is bonkers. That's fucking bonkers. If you made 7%, if you had $10,000 in there, you would have made what? $700 in 4 hours? If you had $1 million, you would have made $70,000. You would have made $70,000 in 4 hours if you had $1 million in this thing. Jesus Christ! Let's go, people! Fucking A, Ronnie Runnerson over here. Holy shit! I want to watch this next minute pop so bad. $13.19. $13.19. I'm up another $100, another $200. Holy shit. Dude, if you trade 5 of these and you go up $100, you made $500. It's crazy. The reselling butcher. How many ETH you got, bro? Making 1,400 since 9 p.m. No, you got to take out profits at some point. At some point, this is going to stop, guys. This is like roulette. The last person holding the gun, like the last person who doesn't shoot themselves before somebody shoots themselves, is the winner. You don't want to be that guy. You don't want to be the last one out. You want to get out before it's the end. It's better to sell before the peak or even after the peak than to try to shoot for the peak. It's no way. It's better to shoot past the peak than really to try to shoot before the peak, actually. But you never know when that's going to be, really. This could have been it. This could have been the peak right here. Moving averages still looks good. Jeez, that looks good too. It still looks fucking good. And we got a green here. Look at, we have a green, we have a red and then a green. Like, this thing can't make up its mind. Green is like red, sell, green, buy, buy, buy. Red, sell, green, buy, buy. Green dots, man. I wonder if I could like change the script somehow and like make the red dot and the green dot be exactly the values that I want them to be. The reselling butcher, that's basically true. Yeah, but you see this, and then was this the end? Yeah, it's better to like hit the peak and then lose a little bit and then try to jump out after the peak than to get out a little bit early. This is this would have been a good spot to buy in, 12.92. That's where I did buy in, isn't it? I want to see what it is. We seeing 1,400. I feel it. Dude, if we hit 1,400 in this particular run right now, oh fucking shit. CG. I love it, man. Oh fucking shit. Alright, I want to look at something real quick. Look, guys, I watch a shit ton of YouTubers. Like, I watch everybody I can find on YouTube who's talking about crypto and seems smart and seems like they have some knowledge about every aspect of the thing. It seems like they have some kind of connection to it, like whatever it is. I don't know. Like, I'm always looking for really awesome YouTubers on the subject. And a lot of what I do is a culmination of my feedback of what I like. If I watch 10, 15 different videos in a day, then like I get my opinion for the day. I'm like, okay, are we feeling bullish today? Are we feeling bearish today? Did something happen that is good news that we should be looking at? And then I do a lot of chart analysis where we're watching for trends. We're watching for Fibonacci. We're watching for relative highs and sell-offs and recoveries and shakeouts, all of that. Trying to use fundamentals. Trying to use some fundamentals. All right. Just today I was researching moving averages, and that's why I became like super interested in highlighting these. Somebody recommended that I do 7, 14, and 28. Some people do other numbers. I'm not sure if I have a preference between this and what I had it set before. But as long as pink is under yellow and red is under both, we're feeling bullish. Right now we're feeling bullish. This is still good. See when they're getting away from each other, that's the best. When they're coming together like this, that's not good. When they start to come together, if they go to cross, I'll probably sell. See how they're not crossing? They're not crossing, not crossing. If they actually cross at some point, I'll probably sell then and go to bed. Yeah. I mean, I'll always hold a couple. I'll always hold a couple. Unless we like crashing hard. The other day when we crashed, I think we were like knocking on $1,000 or whatever the hell it was. I think I got all the way out at that moment, but or whatever it was. I talked about it on my channel at the time. I forgot what it was, but I always keep a couple that I won't try to day trade with. Just assume that we'll go up. I mean, I just assume this will go up 1,500, 2,000 very easily over the next month or so from hype alone. As long as people are continue to be so bullish on coins and so pumped about it, and like we're just hearing about shit in the news like constantly, there's no reason to start doubting it. Like with all the negative press, the coin value went down, and really that wasn't that bad. We jumped up to 40 and it's like, oh, that's crazy, and then went down to 31 and it's like, oh, everyone started freaking out, and it was like, that didn't kill it though. We just walked right past that and kept on going. This is a long ass run. This is unusually long. We're plowing through. We passed 1260, 1270 mark, 1280, 1300. We blasted through 1300, and then, guys, this is what happened here. We blasted through 1300 and we hit the wall, but this is us beating up the wall. This is us beating the wall, beating the wall, beating the wall, and then we decided to continue to break through it. So this was like us really hitting that wall and then breaking through it. That's crazy. Roy, are you from America? Dude, if it was me, okay, first of all, I would not try to get in right now because, I mean, there's a good chance this will top out at any moment. Jeez, it's still going up. How is it going up? Who is buying right now? Who is selling? Nobody's selling and everyone's buying. Is that what's happening? Look at this trend. This is unreal. This defies everything that we've been watching. Like regular trends. This is so irregular. That's dude. Elijah is probably the most correct. Grayscale probably had like a plan to buy a bunch when it was at its cheapest on Saturday night. Elon, like everyone was going to be buying into it, but they, like, did Grayscale put their $1 billion into it, or were they waiting for the right moment to put their $1 billion in? And at what moment was that? 161 in the chat, guys. What's up? Can we get some thumbs up, please? Thumbs up if you want to get stinky, stinky rich off of Ethereum like a fucking G. What the fuck is Bitcoin doing? What is Bitcoin doing? Still good. Still fucking good. Dude, all Elon has to say is like merger, Tesla Dogecoin merger, anything, whatever he says, SpaceX Dogecoin. If he says I'm buying Dogecoin, whatever he says something, I go to my Roth IRA, I'm pulling out $10,000, I'll put it into Dogecoin by the end of the day. What is that? 1322. Bishal, very cool, man. Love to have you. My mic is cracking. What is that? Are you We should do ASMR. Ethereum ASMR. And I'll talk on one side about how much money you're gonna make. And then on the other side, how much money you're gonna make off Ethereum. You're gonna make so much money off of Ethereum. You're gonna make so much money off of Ethereum. By the way, is that left and right? Is it still crackling? Oh, it might. No, I think it's this. No, I think it's this desk. I was just leaning on it. That. What? Let's go. What the fuckity fuck? Are you shitting me, dude? This is out of control. Look at it. Look at this ribbon just stay above the line like non-stop. It just so abnormal. Guys, make some money. Thank you, Martin. Nice. Drop that sub. Hey, Chrome, post that Discord in the chat so everyone can join that Discord. We talk about shit. Everyone's get updates. Bogo, nice. Shahid is back. Good to see you again. Dude, look at this sweet ass chart we made. Look at this sweet ass chart we made. On TradingView. On TradingView. You can make a sweet chart like this for free on TradingView. On TradingView. This is how you do it. Boom. Go to tradingview.com. Search for a script. Type in the script you want to try to find. You could search them all kinds of ways. You can search for ones that are open source only. That way they're free. You find something like, let's say you want your chart to look like this. You want your chart to look like this. You want it to look like this. Anything, you can pick it. You want it to look like this? You click the picture. These are, I don't think oh, maybe this one. Let's see. We'll try this one. Click it. Then you go down, add to favorites. There's probably a better way to do this. No, don't buy the pump, guys. If you haven't gotten in, might be too late. Let's see here. Still good. We're still going up, fellas. Holy shit balls. So then you go to your chart, which is here. Chart. You got I have this one set and this and this. I can only have 3 at a time because this is free. Apparently. Cipher is off. Indicators, favorites. This one I just clicked. I don't necessarily know what all their indicators mean, but I'll have to look for a moment. Let's see here. I don't know if I like that one. Whoa! What the fuck? Went up to 1327, baby. Holy shit. Over 1130? You mean 1330? Dude, it's running out of control. It's running out of fucking control. Ismail, I guess. I mean, I wouldn't do it unless you were doing it with like probably a few $1,000s. I don't know if day trading's worth it. You know, make a overtime. You need bigger dollars to get bigger percentages for it to be worth it. Just for me personally. Did we get another green dot? Oh my god. We got another green dot. We got another green dot. There's a green dot right there. Holy shit. Martin, you can't be going to bed at a time like this. Dude, you'd be making $100 a share, like, in no time. You would basically, if you had 5 shares, you'd have made $500 in a very short amount of time, like a handful of hours. CBR, nice. Got 183 on the line. Holy shit, y'all. Thank you very much. Throw a thumbs up if you want to just be filthy rich, like everybody else right now. Did somebody win that $1 billion lottery? Did somebody win it? Let's look at that real quick. Let's see. Mega Millions. What is the Mega Millions at? Somebody won the million. Oh, the winning ticket in the 1 billion Mega Millions lottery was bought in Michigan. Oh, fuck, I know somebody. Get out of town. Get out of town, people. Don't forget to check your Mega Millions lottery ticket. One ticket that matched the 6 numbers was sold in the state according to the Mega Millions news release on Saturday. The winning numbers were and the Mega Bull number. The odds of scoring the jackpot are 1 in. Dude. Who won it? We don't know. We don't know. Somebody in Michigan won $1 billion and nobody knows who it is. Ah! I gotta get the word out. I wonder if someone will give me $1 million for helping them realize they won the lottery. That'd be sweet. That'd be sweet. God, I'm having the toughest time trying to share this on Facebook. I'm face busy. Oh my goodness, I forgot about this. I gotta go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 13:30, huh? I feel like my wife has been doing dishes extra slowly for a while. Just to try to like let me know she's doing the dishes. I can hear her doing the dishes and it's taking so long. I'm like, does it take that long or are you just trying to prove a point? Yeah, BitBoy's good to follow. Follow him, learn some stuff. I follow him. I watch most of his videos. He's going to 3 videos a day, and I'm like, dude, I don't have that much time. But thank you. I appreciate the content. And then he blasts the music, and he talks over it, and it's not that great. But he knows his shit. Trust me. Oh, shit! Oh, why didn't you say anything? Is Conor McGregor fighting right now? Hold on a second. God damn it. I was trying to set this up earlier, and then we started having to run, and I forgot. I have ESPN Plus. I've been waiting for it. I was going to try to set it up on the stream. Conor McGregor and that guy's record are pretty similar. It's a rematch, right? Who won the last time? I don't even remember. Did it work? Tell me it worked. Tell me it fucking worked, dude. Yeah, Bogo33. Thanks for that little shout out. You're seeing yellow diamonds, Drill? Where? Am I using the wrong one again? Which one should I be using? Get rid of MACDEMA. Put in the cipher A. Is that what the one I'm missing? Oh, these are the diamonds. Let's put this on the 15-minute or something. What is this? Yep, diamonds, baby. Yeah, we got a green ball here. Still looking good. Dude, it is holding. The only way the price is shooting up like this is because nobody's fucking selling. Portier McGregor 2. Yes, let's go. Buy it. Buy it? I'm not buying it. I have ESPN Plus. What the fuck? I have it on my TV. Why has it got to be like this? Seriously? Can I watch ESPN Plus on my phone? Streaming new episodes on ESPN Plus. Yes, the new ESPN Plus service is not a standalone app. It lives inside the ESPN app. Okay, where? I'm in it. ESPN Plus. Stream it. Oh wait, is it pay-per-view? I thought if you had ESPN Plus, you got it. Maybe I heard wrong. Is it pay-per-view? I'm not paying $70 to watch this. Exclusively on ESPN people. Oh, so you have to have ESPN Plus and pay them $70? Dude, I don't like Conor McGregor that much. That's just one of me. I mean, and I could hold it up. I could hold it up on my phone, and you guys could just watch it like this, and then somebody would rat me out, and then my video would get taken down by YouTube, like it was yesterday. Who ratted me out though? I want names. I want motherfucking names. Inez, welcome back. What up? We are looking. Look at this run. It's still strong. It's still strong. Yes, it is. It's still strong. Oh, yes, good. Good. Ooh, got it ready here. Got it ready, red. Check out Acro. What's Acro? IPTV rocks for pay-per-view. No, I didn't buy it, Inez. Am I pronouncing that right, by the way? I learned today how to use scripts on TradingView. So, how sweet is that? I watched some videos. I saw a fucking guy, okay? This one guy, he made like a how-to video on how to put scripts in there, and I watched that and it was like, cool. No. This thing is not even doing a good job keeping up. It's actually saying to sell, isn't it? Isn't that what that red is here? Is that what it's saying? Is it giving us a sell sign all of a sudden? Is that what this is? See, but it's given us a sell sign multiple times. Like it did here, 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 and then look what just happened anyway. Yeah, I think 1500 is going to be a tough one to break. Ooh, that's not good. This is not a good minute. It's a shitty minute. Anyway, we're still skyrocketing. And shit. Was that our highest high? What was this? 1337. This thing gave us a couple of red dots here all of a sudden, guys. We need recovery quick. We need recovery quick. Candle reading. Yeah, okay, so let me show you real quick. And it's all free. TradingView.com, okay? You sign up for free. Go here, go to scripts, and then type in like any kind of script, or you can go to scripts here and you can like pick from like a type of script. I like moving averages. I like moving averages. Like today I learned I like research moving averages like for 2 hours straight. And so you can do like moving averages, open source only, so you only get free ones. And then you can click any one of these and your shit will look like this. Like if you want it to look like any one of these things, you can make it look like this guy. Like this one actually looks kind of cool. You can see the feedback on it. And so once you click it, you go down here and you can click like add to favorites. And then go to your chart. And then you can go like indicators, and then you can click any one of these guys. You can maybe we'll turn off Cypher B for a minute. That one was not very sweet. No, Rabin? What is that? Dude, somebody won the $1 billion in Michigan. I gotta find them, and I posted on my Facebook channel. Hello, do I know any? Okay, so we've actually crossed here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna sell. I'm selling. I'm going to bed. I'm selling and I'm going to bed. I don't know. Let me see. Are we gonna cross the 3 minute? We crossed here for a minute. Look how hard we slowed down when we crossed here. I think I need to sell and go back to bed. Oh, the 5 minutes is so nice still. We got a red flag here. Got a red flag. Got 2 red flags in a row. I don't know. Maybe I should just listen to what the thing is telling me to do. I got 1324. I got 1324. Sorry. Dude. My wife is like, it's kind of late. You might not have noticed. It's 12:30 and you have to work in the morning. And I'm like, fuck. I don't know, guys. I just sold a couple. I'm going to keep a couple. I'm going to sell a couple. It's looking like we're starting to hit a hard topper. I don't know. We're not having as... For all of a sudden, it started like... These candles... Look, these programs... They like... They fucking read the candles, the wicks, and the shit that we don't even look at. They got a red X here. We got this red. We got this red. Oh, we just got another gold fucking diamond. Of course we did. Anyway, I wanted to reap some benefit. I bought in at 12.90 and on 2 shares, and so I just made 80 bucks. I just made 80 bucks. I'm gonna keep 2. I'm gonna sell 2. Let's see what happens. I don't know. This looks nice. This still looks nice though. What is this? The 3-minute trend? 5-minute trend? Oh, Jesus. What's going on with Conor McGregor? No. It can't run at this pace. This is a fucking pace right here. Huh. I drew a line. This was the line of a previous high, right? Why did I draw that expectation there? I think this is what I was hoping for. 1370? 1370? Yeah. I'll have to be watching tomorrow for these. I'll be watching these averages very closely. As long as red is under pink and yellow's over pink, as long as red is under pink and yellow's over pink like this, in like all your time frames, you're bulling. We're bulling out. This is bully. All that's bully. The only reason I just sold a couple just now is because, one, we're starting to see this kind of ugliness right now. And two, even though we just got another fucking diamond, we had two red dots in a row, and we also had another red warning. But Jesus, still bully. Still is too. Jesus Christ, that's so nice. That's why I only bought. That's why I only sold 2 instead of 4 or more. Yeah. Plus, I need to go to bed, guys. What the fuck? What do we got? How many likes do we got? Let's see how many likes we got. 201 people watching, 102. That's a 50% like rate. Fuck yeah. All right, you guys. I'm gonna go check on my wife. No, I didn't buy it. I made this with TradingView. You can make it for free. And I've been showing people how to do this all day, apparently. I spent some time researching it. I found out you could do it. This is TradingView.com. You can go to TradingView.com, go to the script section, find a script that you like. The script is like a code that you put in, and then you go to indicators, and you can just, like, these are all the codes. So this code here is a code. I think that one was the MAR close EMA. This one is the cipher B. Oh, did I forget to put cipher A back on? No, that was cipher A. I got, yeah, okay, these are my 3. The MAR, the cipher A, and the cipher B. See, this is why it told me to sell. We crossed right here. This green line turned into a red line. And then it turned green again. Yeah. Yeah. I think I'm good to go. I want to go watch that Conor McGregor fight. I want to watch that Conor McGregor fight. I want to see if it's still going. I hope it is. 24. What do we got? The 1 minute. Let's put this on the 5 minute. Could fall pretty hard. I'm not feeling optimistic right now. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off and leave it running for you guys to watch, but the mic and the video are gonna go off for a bit, and then I'll probably have to bail on it in a little while, but keep watching it. I will too. Love you guys. Everyone who showed up. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. Love it. We'll be on tomorrow night. We'll see you then. Guys, my wife is watching this for the first time on the TV in the living room. She's like, what the fuck is going on? Why do you have so many people watching you? It's so fucking awesome. You guys are awesome. I'm gonna go eat some ramen. I feel bad for McGregor too. I really like him. He's fun. Too bad he didn't win because I really want to see him get back to the championship. Let's look at the 15-minute real quick. 30-minute, 15-minute. Okay, yeah, it's still. Oh, quid pro quo. She just yelled from the living room. She said, tell quid pro quo. I said, hi. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, this is still nasty right now. Yeah, I'm still a little berry right now. So, all right, guys. I don't know where it's bottoming out. I don't know where it bottoms out. I'm not going to make a call on where I think a low is going to be overnight. I think overnight, we're done hitting highs for the evening. Probably for the next 3 hours or so. We're going to be, I think, bully. But we will find out tomorrow. I will talk to you then. Go join the Discord. Hit the like and subscribe button. I'll be on tomorrow night. I want to hang out with you then. Peace out. We'll talk to you soon.